In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on eBay. First, make sure you're signed into eBay on a desktop browser. The layout on mobile can hide some options, so if you're on a phone and don't see what I'm showing, switch to a computer or use your browser's desktop site view. From the eBay homepage, move your mouse to your account name at the top of the page. Don't click yet, just hover over it. This brings your account area into focus and makes it easy to get to your profile. Now, click your current profile picture. It's the small image or placeholder circle next to your name. Clicking it takes you to your public profile page where your photo, banner, and basic details live. On that page, look for the Edit Profile button and click it. This puts your profile into edit mode so you can make changes. Next, find the small pencil icon on your profile picture area and click it. The pencil is the universal edit symbol, and here it specifically opens the option to change your photo. A file picker will open. Browse to the folder on your computer where your picture is saved, select the image you want, and confirm. Choose a clear, well-lit headshot or logo that represents you or your business. Square images usually work best, and common formats like JPG or PNG are ideal. If eBay offers a quick preview, make sure your face or logo is centered and not cut off. Keep the background simple and the image size reasonable so it uploads quickly. When you're happy with the selection, click Save. eBay will upload the file and apply it to your profile. Give it a moment to process. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page. Your new profile picture should now appear anywhere your account is shown across eBay. Remember, profile photos are public on your profile, so pick an image you're comfortable sharing and avoid sensitive information in the background. It can take a little time for the new image to update everywhere, especially in older messages or listings. So don't worry if you still see the old picture in a few spots for a short while. That's all there is to it. By hovering on your name, clicking your profile picture, choosing Edit Profile, using the pencil icon, selecting the file, and saving, you've updated your eBay presence in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to move on to customizing the rest of your profile for a consistent professional look.